running between workouts, shoots, mom life, work life, all of those things, I need something that's going to keep me grounded, energized, and fueled. And this is my go-to breakfast that I make at the beginning of every week. So super easy, overnight oats, meal prep in 2 minutes, and then I have a delicious, nutritious breakfast that lasts me throughout the week. So let's make this together. First, I do a half a cup of rolled oats. Then I'm gonna add my scoop of protein powder. So this is for the staying power. This gives me that extra boost of protein. Now, for those healthy fats and for fiber, enter the triple omega seed mix. If you have not had this yet, you've got to add this to your wish list, to your grocery list, to your pantry staples. And then for a little bit of sweetness, I like to add a few drops of monk fruit, or a little squirt. Then we're gonna add some milk. It's approximately maybe a half cup of almond milk. Now the fun part is we add our lids and we just give it a good shake, 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 shake. And once I stick these in the fridge, 3 to 4 hours if you're having these for a midday snack, but overnight is my favorite if you're having them for breakfast the next day. These are going in the fridge. Now I have a tasty, nutritious, amazing breakfast ready for me all week.